Conastantu, how are you? Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today I'm going to teach you how to say a proverb that you may be familiar with in English in Irish. So of course a proverb is just a short expression containing a piece of enduring and universal wisdom. So it isn't a great surprise to find that when you look at a proverb in Irish, you will find that there are corresponding proverbs which you may be familiar with in other languages. So today the proverb that we're going to consider is necessity is the mother of invention. And the way that we say that in Irish is muinen gaeilge. Muinen gaeilge. And one more time, muinen gaeilge. So that translates as necessity teaches resource, or at a push, resourcefulness. And we'll just have a look at the grammar of this short three-word proverb now. So Irish is a VSO language, verb, subject, object. And that means that in simple sentences, we have the verb first, followed by the noun which is performing the action, followed by the noun on which the action is performed. Verb, subject, object. So we'll start with the verb. And the verb here is the verb muin, which means to teach or to instruct. We have this verb in the third person singular present tense. Muinen, teaches. What teaches? Muinen gaeilge. Here we have our first noun. Gaeilge, meaning necessity or need. So what does necessity teach? Muinen gaeilge. Our second noun, sheft, means resource or resourcefulness. Strictly speaking, it means resource. And if you wanted to say resourcefulness, you would say sheftuacht rather than sheft. Sheftuacht. But be that as it may, the way that this proverb is phrased is muinen gaeilge. Teaches necessity resource. Okay then. And of course you may also say, Ben, I thought that we were going to learn how to say necessity is the mother of invention, but I don't hear the word invention there. And that's fair enough. Proverbs don't always correspond word for word with one in another language. But if you want the word for invention, the word for invention in Irish is aragon. Aragon. And one more time, aragon. So there you have it. En avant. Very good. I hope that you enjoyed today's little lesson. And if you'd like to download our free taster course, you'll find the link in the description below. And also, of course, if you want to download our free ebook, 10 Secrets for Practicing Irish Every Day, you'll find the link in the description below also. Okay then, Gur Magad a Chara. Thanks friend. Gdín chiad orella. Till the next time, Wimshe Ben from me. Slán go forward. Bye for now.